Here we are, want to trying using YouCut video editor with two of files. Can union two of files video with this YouCut. This is a recent here 7 and 4 minutes. First we choose this, and the duration is 7 minutes. Import. Okay, checklist. And then the second is 4 minutes. Yes, checklist. Then we have two videos, and totals is 11, almost 12 minutes. If we did any editing, didn't doing any editing, something like text, we can direct to save it, and it will be two files in one. In original is 47 megabytes in medium quality. Save it, and don't forget keep on draft as the backup. We can doing this converting video on YouCut without online. It's still working without any signal nor internet access. This is a selling point of YouCut. This YouCut is a demo version. It is free, not pay in 7 days. But I still don't know what the meaning of free. What is its meaning? Pay to buy it from Play Store again, or it is cannot be working in offline without internet. Which one? I don't know, because that I am trying it. Another application, online application, such as video compressing, video converter, it is not free, because we need an online, always online, in the signal when processing during process. It is meaning not free. If we compare it with photo editor application, for example, in photo editor we need just only limited for 4 minutes in one video files, but YouCut is one pictures have a limited time to 4 minutes, so 10 pictures will become 40 minutes. It is more over big rather than the photo editor. I have tried. Photo editor in premium version demo of it. So when the demo version comparing, we will knowing which one it have a cheapness as a price, in the meaning on the quotas we need when it is processing. Something like operational cost, we know it, and it is more important rather than the price when we buy it at the first in the Play Store, because the operational cost is always checking days by days when it is using. While it is using the applications, we need operational cost in the quota types. But buying is just one at the first, and the double of payment when the operational cost we have to pay, and the first we have to buy, it is double. I think YouCut didn't doing that, and so that's photo grid, not photo editor. So in my planning, when these two of videos has been unification, so the megabytes data capacity is will be becoming big, but we will need another application to serve the roles of the application. I will use video compressor. It is online when we doing processing, but this YouCut is still free, not online, offline. Okay, it is finished. It is been saved. This YouCut, so we can look at from file manager. If you have gallery on video, YouCut here 47 megabytes. It is include two of videos. And it can be increase the megabytes in 11 minutes with the same of times with using video compressor. Here, video compressor. YouCut. Wait, here, 11 minutes. It is combined unification from 7 and 4. After we use YouCut, it become 11 or 12 minutes. Compress it. Please wait extracting file information. It is collecting information. Then this is the options. It is the format. That is MP4, 3GP, MOV, if ALV, if LV, MKV, and the others. I don't know. I just knowing MP4 and 3GP. I choose medium files as it is standard, and then compress it. This is advertised from video compressors as it is sold. So the advertise is making video compressors applicate have and profit, another profit. Beside it is sold. And we cannot closing it until it is finished. Adjustment meter just for enter time. Okay, after ending, if it will cross, then we can rename the files. URL linking from picture in Blogger. Okay, it is on process, but remember, you have to online. if we want making sure that in the middle of the processing it will not stopping. Just waiting. Okay, it is almost finished. 99, 100%. It is over. Okay, successfully compressed from 47 megabytes. Increase become 14 megabytes, 15 megabytes. There is 32 approximately, or 22 megabytes. It's almost 50% can be reduced. We save it and looking from the file manager, not YouCut but video compressor as the folder. Here, 14 megabytes, 15 megabytes. It is compiled 2 of videos. Try to move a picture in graph logger from the bottom and first position to the top without use HTML. Okay, when the continuing from the minute of 7. It is blue. It is a blue button. It's meaning linking. We see. Setelah ada gambar. Nah, here. Atau foto. To change the language. Dalam graph. It is the continuing from 2 of videos. In the minute of 7. There's just one side, like this. On the right, left is not. Here, the right. Here, the left. The transitions is not looking. We're not seeing the transition. Here. Don't see, yeah? So this good of YouCut. And the megabyte from video compressors reduced from 47 to 14. 23, no, 22 or 22 megabytes can reduce.